Hello guys, this is Y20 over here, and today I'm going to demonstrate you cross-site scripting. So basically, cross-site scripting is nothing but basically you can say an extension of HTML injection, and basically it's a type of vulnerability usually found in web applications, but it can also be found in Android and other applications which are not native. Okay, so nowadays they use a lot of not native functions and they use web functions a lot. So yeah, XSS attack can always happen in them too. Okay, so it's a cross-site scripting vulnerability. It's basically using JavaScript to bypass access controls such as same origin policy and course or etc. Okay, so you can this way mine cookies, hijack sessions, session tokens, or other sensitive data. You can even perform IDOR and many a lot of different things, and you can actually do full database takeover with the help of cross-site scripting. So it's still like a lot of websites have this work, and this is one of the best way to hack websites. So let us see this booking website. Okay, this is a very popular website. Let's search Dubai. Okay, see what's happening over here is basically searching via these parameters. Okay, so all these parameters it's taking. Now what I am going to do is very simple. What I am going to do is I'm going to remove all these parameters. Okay, and then I will demonstrate you. Okay, so this is a very basic way of doing it. Okay, so basically what hackers will do is they will inject a script this way. Okay, first they will do this way, but this is for parameter bypass. Okay, so actually I am closing the ADAF basically what it's a slash here. Okay, but written in way to bypass all the security checks. Yeah. So what happens is it's see it's searching and see alert XSS. But what happens is it sanitizes the script text. So certain websites, what they do is they sanitize script text through using regex, and that's a very unsafe way of doing it. So basically, they are just removing the script from front and back. Okay, this is the most unsafe way of doing it because what I can do is what I can use a script image tag also. Okay, I can use an image tag. So basically, I've copied this image tag, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it over here. So this is image tag. What I've done is I have put src equal to x and on error alert XSS. Okay, XSS. RiseMyTrip.com says XSS. Okay, so this is a simple way, and we can do something this also. If I this, you see, full takeover. So, but this is not stored. Okay, what we can do is we can do stored versions also. But before that, let me just show you some more tricks. Okay, so another way of doing it is another way of doing it is basically what we can do is we can use this method. Okay. So basically, what I'm doing is basically this is the script which I'm using to, in fact, okay, this is I've stored it temporarily on GitHub. But this won't work. Why this won't work is because it's detecting cross-site scripting. Okay, so see, it detected the cross-site scripting. If I do inspect element, see, fail to load the resource block. Okay, the browser is blocking it. Okay, but in very, very too much unsafe websites, this can happen. This is also a very unsafe website. Okay, a lot of people use it for booking. Okay, planes and whatnot. So this way we can hack. Okay, and what we can do is we can then we can go over here and maybe go over here in insurance, and then we can add this link over here. Okay, in somewhere, and we can or in holidays we can put this link and trick them into clicking this link and think that their website is hacked. Okay. Another way is we can when add a cookie mining script. When we add a cookie mining script, when they open, we will get their cookies if they are login. If we get the administrator cookie, we can directly go into the admin account, and via the admin account, we can like take over the full website. Okay. Another thing is we can do database access. Via XSS, we can access their database and we can do bookings bypass. Okay. So these are the methods which XSS methods allows us, and it's a very dangerous method. Uh, Another thing about XSS is there are a lot of pages. Okay, you can Google anyone. I got this random page. Okay, so I've submitted all this, pull this all this details. Okay, over here and it generated the template, and you can use this. There are a lot of pages. Okay, on Google you just need to do a Google search website Deface page generator. Okay, and you will get a lot of pages. I got this page. Okay, so there are a lot of earlier there used to be a lot of them, but now Google removes them. Okay, so I got this page, so I clicked on this. Yeah, so you can get a lot of them. You can find them on GitHub also. Basically, nowadays Google removes such pages. Okay. So, and another method is stored method, which what we can do is we can do it on some WordPress websites. Uh, WordPress website. Uh, we can do it on any website, but WordPress websites, this bug is usually there. Uh, let's do it on WordPress themselves. You can see on the website they are also using WordPress, right? What we are going to do is we are going to create a username and we are going to bypass. Okay, in comments or in somewhere you can add somewhere in the blog section or something you can add, and this way you can bypass. No matter how many filters they apply to block accesses, you can some way easily bypass. You just need to know how to actually do the accesses attack. Some manipulation, yes, like some code manipulation, and there are a lot of XSS vulnerabilities. Recently, there was a XSS vulnerability found in React, and when the uh, Cloudflare team found it, they tried to solve that bug, and instead they took down entire Cloudflare. Okay, so yeah, uh, so that's it for today, guys. That's all.